So observe here carefully, this is called oxide. Okay, this is called oxide. Observe carefully here, this is a cyclic structure which is not having any substituent, so we cannot say cis trans. Is it right? లేదు కదా, దాని మీద ఏమైనా సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్స్ ఉంటే మనం సిస్ ట్రాన్స్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్స్ లేవు. సో నౌ దిస్ is going to attack on this, then it is going to form double bond N and OH2 plus charge. As we know, it is going to be eliminated. Water is going to be eliminated. Okay, if you remove water, then this is going to form like C double bond N and positive charge. Now this is the ring is going to be ring expansion. Okay, అదేంటి సార్ 6 to 7 ring expansion అవ్వదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, after ring expansion this is going to become a 7-membered ring. Double bond, nitrogen, positive charge, right? ఇది more stable. ఎందుకు more stable చూడండి, is the positive charge. It is a positive charge which is having a lone pair mesomeric effect plus M. Because of that reason, this is a more stable 7-membered ring, and don't forget this is the 7-membered ring. Okay, it is a 7-membered ring. Now we have a water molecule. This water molecule is going to attack on this one. Then it is OH positive charge. Okay, right. Now see this one, remove this hydrogen, minus H plus, then OH, right? This is in alpha. Tautomerization. After tautomerization, it is going to form like this. Hydrogen, double bond O, and 7-membered ring. Okay, 6 is converted into 7. Why it is converted? Because of more stable. This is cyclic amides. Cyclic amide is called lactam. It is called lactam. Lactams upon hydrolysis. Okay, na? Lactam upon hydrolysis. OH, right? Chalo. Now see this one. This is the CH2, 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 CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am writing like this: CH2, COOH, and NH2. How many CH2 groups are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taken 5 times. This is called capro. This is called cyclic amide and lactam, and it is a caprolactam, and it is called caprolactic acid. Caprolactic acid. Name. Upon polymerization, go through polymerization. Upon polymerization, this is going to give nylon 6. Okay, na? Then right after this, this is your turn, and you have to start the problem with this. Okay, chalo, come on. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay, done. What about this one? Got the answer? See this one, this is in opposite. So this is going to break like this. Okay, now minus H2. So now when you break this one, you are breaking this part. So you can write like this. This bond is not there and a nitrogen double bond, and it is converted into 6-membered ring. Is it right? So now this is going to get a positive charge. Add water molecule to this one, 6-membered ring, and this OH2 plus charge minus H plus, and it is going to form enol. Tautomerization. This is going to give like nitrogen, methyl, double bond is the answer. Okay. Page number 1. Is it right? Completed?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Right. Next one. See this one. This is one of the beautiful question I'm going to write, and this is a multi-type, multi-purpose type question. It is. See this. This is a compound I am taking. Benzene ring. Double bond N and pH group is there, and this is the OH. Okay. And see this one. This is a NO2 group also is there, and here it is a chlorine also is there. Now observe carefully. When reacted with H plus, okay, and when reacted with NaOH or KOH, that is a base. What is the answer? Anybody? Try chestara? Completed? Right. చూద్దాం, మీరు చేస్తే పర్వాలేదు, లేకపోతే లేదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్, ఫస్ట్ చూడు, కమ్ టు దిస్. See here, when we use base, first of all we are using acidic medium. So in the presence of acidic medium, this is called Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann rearrangement. So first of all, H plus is going to attack on this one. This is going to form a structure like this, and OH2 positive charge, and this is the pH, and it is a NO2 group, and it is a chlorine. Observe carefully. For this, it is the opposite. Okay, now see this one. This is the opposite because it is a lone pair here. So this pH group is opposite. Okay, now chalo, right? Now go through this. This group is going to be migrated, and this water molecule is going to be eliminated. Then we get a structure like this. Nitrogen and pH and positive charge, and it is a chlorine. Now we have a water molecule. Directly from water molecule, OH minus is going to attack on this one. Then this form like this. pH and OH, NO2, and it is a chlorine. Go through tautomerization. Sorry. Double bond O, NH and PH. NO2 and chlorine. Okay. Now come to this. In case, if I take in basic medium, what is going to do is, observe carefully, acid base reactions are faster. First of all, H plus is going to be taken by this one, and it is going to form like NO2, chlorine. It's one of the beautiful question. pH and NO minus. Now see this one. This is the electron withdrawing. This is the aryl halide. So already we know about this kind of reaction. See this one, this is the chlorine and NO2, and in the presence of nucleophile, this nucleophile is going to attack on this one, and we get a substituted product. Now similarly here also, see this. This is the negative charge which is going to attack on this one. It is going to be okay. Now then we get a structure like this. This is the okay. So write down. One more question I am writing. This is the question, right? This is the compound I am taking, C double bond N, and it is a OH, and this is the pH, and see this one, this is the carbon, and this, and hydrogen, and this is the pH and Me. Okay, so in the presence of H plus, in the presence of H plus, in the presence of H plus. Okay, so now the question is here, gives X product. Okay, this is the plus and dextro rotatory. Rotatory. Right. Okay, right. Question. Correct statements. Statements about product X is, okay, na? Options. Options. A A. It is also levorotatory. It is also levorotatory. Rotatory. B. Both. అంటే ప్లస్ డెక్స్ట్రో లీవో అంటే ఆర్ఎస్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ లో ఆర్ఎస్ అని అంటాం కదా, అలాంటి టైప్. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్, ఓకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ బోత్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ obtained in equal amount. C. It is having S configuration. It is having S configuration. D. It is having R configuration. Having R configuration. Chiral. So this is a chiral carbon. He is talking about this. Okay, na? This is the chiral. Chalo, come on, answer. CBSL అయితే చేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి ఆర్ఎస్ వచ్చు కాబట్టి. స్టేట్ బోర్డు వాళ్ళకి ఆర్ఎస్ వచ్చో లేదో అంత నమ్మకం లేదు.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in above reaction, sir, 4-member ring will form, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-member ring, na?
5-member.
Okay. So, acha, one oxygen is extra, na? Okay, no problem. I'm going to correct that. I'll correct that. No problem.
Yes, sir. Sir, which is the rate determining step, sir?
Is it okay?
Sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, rate determining step, which one, sir?
Formation of carbocation.
First one, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Answer. Anybody? EBS కన్ఫర్మ్ గా చెప్పాలండి. చలో చైతన్య సాయి, నువ్వైతే చెప్తావని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Sir, D.
డియా బియా?
D, sir.
ఢిల్లీ.
Yes.
100% కరెక్ట్. మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం చూడండి, the whole group is migrating, but we are not doing anything this particular compound. Whole group is migrating here. అంటే మనము ఫర్ సి దిస్ ఇస్ ద carbon carbon double bond carbon, so 1 2 3 4, so this is the R configuration, so this is the 1 and 2 and this is the 4 3 and 4, so already it is in dotted line, so this is the R configuration already. So this whole thing is migrating, group a migrate avutundi kada ikkada. So manaku ee carbon meeda particularly we are not doing anything, any kind of reaction, because of that reason answer is D. Okay, this is one of the beautiful questions. So ఖచ్చితంగా ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర మీకు ఫ్యూచర్ లో అడుగుతుంది. Completed?
Completed, sir.
Chalo, done. Next. రోజు మీరు మస్తు చాలా టైం దొరుకుతుంది కదా మీకు, కొంచెం ఇనార్గానిక్ వి నేను టాపిక్ వైజ్ పేపర్లు పెడతాను, చేసుకుంటారా?
ఓకే సార్.
మీరు చెప్పాలండి, ఏదో నేను అన్నానని కాదు, అట్లా కాదు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు జనరల్ గా మర్చిపోతుంటారు కదా, కొంచెం మెయిన్స్ మోడల్ బిట్స్ కొన్ని పెడితే మీకు కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ గా ఉంటది, ఫ్యూచర్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది అని నా ఇంటెన్షన్. చైతన్య సాయి ఎక్కువ పెట్టాను, ఒక 5 to 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ పెడతాను, మీరు ఓకే అంటే దానికి కీ నెక్స్ట్ డే పెడతాను. క్లాస్ లో రెగ్యులర్ గా గుర్తు చేయాలి. మీ ఏదో మొహమాటానికి సార్ ఏమనుకుంటాడో అది నాకు అవసరం లేదండి. మీ చదవాల్సింది మీరు, అంటే కొంచెం రెగ్యులర్ గా ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ లో ఉంటే మీకు ఇబ్బంది ఉండదు అని నా ఇంటెన్షన్. ఓన్లీ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బిట్సే పెడతాను, మెయిన్స్ మోడల్ పెడతాను. అంటే నా ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటి, రేపు ఫ్యూచర్ లో మీరు మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తే ఒక్క బిట్ కూడా మిస్ అవ్వకూడదు. మీరు రెగ్యులర్ గా 10 క్వశ్చన్లు 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ లేదంటే 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే చాలు. ఎవరైనా మీలో ఎవరైనా ధైర్యవంతులు ఉండి సార్ మాకు ఓకే అనే వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే చెప్పండి.
ఓకే సార్, పెట్టండి సార్.
నేను అనట్లేదండి, మీరు అందరూ ఓకే అంటేనే. లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు మా ఆశీష్ ఉన్నాడు, లేకపోతే మా గగన్ ఉన్నాడు, ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఏం చేస్తాం లేండి సార్ ఊరికి అంటారు. ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ లో 186 ఉన్నారు. ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను, నా ఐసోమరిజం స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది, రండి అంటే నిన్న ఎంత వచ్చారు, 86 మంది వచ్చారు. పని కరెక్టేనా?
96 సార్.
96 వచ్చారు, ఓకే డన్. 96 రెగ్యులర్ గా వస్తున్నారు, ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్ లో ఉంటున్నారు. మరి 186 సిబిఎస్ఈలో ఉన్నది ఎంతమంది చెప్పండి? 50 మందో 56 మందో 60 మందో ఉన్నారు. 186లో నుంచి 60 మందిని తీసేయి, ఎంతమంది రావాలి క్లాస్కి? 126 130 రావాలి. మళ్ళీ వచ్చే అటెండ్ అవుతున్న దాంట్లో సిబిఎస్ఈ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారు. మరి ఎక్కడ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది ఫనీ, నువ్వు చెప్పు.
ఎస్ సార్, రావట్లేదు. 30-40 మెంబర్స్ రావట్లేదు సార్. ఒక 40 మెంబర్స్ రావట్లేదు సార్, స్టేట్ వాళ్ళే.
అది మరి అటువంటప్పుడు నేను సాయంత్రం ఈవినింగ్ మరీ మీకు పని కట్టుకొని క్లాస్ చెప్పి యూజ్ ఏంటి? మీరు కూడా లాజికల్ గా ఆలోచించండి. మీ పేరెంట్స్ 150,000 120,000 130,000 ఎంతో XYZ అమౌంట్ కడుతున్నారు. మీరు ఒక అంటే మీ తల్లిదండ్రులు అంత ఫీజు కడుతుంటే మీరు మినిమంలో మినిమం మీకు కామన్ సెన్స్ లేకుండా ఒక క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడానికి మీకు ఎంత బద్ధకం అయితే ఎలా చెప్పండి? మీకు మాత్రం ఫ్యూచర్లో చెప్తున్నాను కదా, మీకు మీ రోజులు వచ్చే వరకు మీ పిల్లలకు మీరు ఎల్కేజీ యూకేజీకి 3-4 లక్షలు ఫీజు కడతారు చూడండి, ఆ రోజు మీకు రక్త చరిత్ర కనపడుతుంది, గ్యారంటీ. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మీ తల్లిదండ్రులను బాధ పెడుతున్నారు కదా ఇట్లా చేసి, మీ పిల్లలు కూడా మిమ్మల్ని బాధ పెడతారు, నా పిల్లలు కూడా నన్ను బాధ పెడతారు. అలాగే కామనే, అది అందులో డౌట్ ఏం లేదు. మనం మంచిగా ఉంటే మన పిల్లలకు కూడా మనం సంస్కారం నేర్పుతాం కదా. మీరు ఎట్లాగో మీరు ఇలాగే బిహేవ్ చేస్తారు, ఏం దోగంలే అని అనుకుంటారు. అలాగే మీకు కూడా రేపు మీ పిల్లలు కూడా అలాగే అనుకుంటారు, టిట్ ఫర్ టాట్, అంతే కదా. ఏం ఫనీ, కరెక్టేనా ఆశీష్? కరెక్టేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ఆలోచించండి ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా, రైట్. ఇంకొకటి నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక 2 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ రాస్తాను, మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, నాకు రేపు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. ఓకేనా? చలో రైట్, సీ దిస్ వన్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్, అండ్ ask me tomorrow in case if you get an answer, no problem. If you are not, right, CH3 is taken. Okay, now number 1, BuLi. You know what is the meaning of BuLi? Lithium is the positive charge, Bu is the butyl, R minus it is nothing but R minus. Okay, now number 2, okay, now it is the CHO aldehyde group. Okay, na? Number 3 followed by H plus is given. So done. This is the one problem, and another problem is this. Double bond NOH, H plus. Okay, so these are the 2 problems which are for HW. So the never just right. Next one, number 8, it is a benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation. Benzoin condensation. Right. Next, write down here when benzaldehyde or its derivatives are treated with alcoholic KCl or NaCl, 2 moles condensed together, 2 moles condensed together, 2 moles condensed together to give benzoin. This is called benzoin condensation. Okay, now chalo right. Now example, I'm going to take an example. See this one, this is the PHC double bond OH. Funny color వాడొద్దని చెప్పాడు. PHC double bond OH. Take 2 moles, but he never mentioned number of moles. Okay, when reacted with alcoholic KCl or NaCl, okay, na? Or HCl, right, we'll get PHC double bond O, CH, OH and PH. This is called benzoin. Okay, no? This is called benzoin, right? Mechanism part. See mechanism here. Mechanism. See this one. First mole I am taking PHC double bond OH. Okay, na? PHC double bond OH. and this is a benzaldehyde when it is reacted with HCl, Cl minus. It is going to attack on this. In this case, it gives pH CO minus and hydrogen and Cl. Okay, chalo, observe carefully, boys. Here, oxygen is having a negative charge. Is it right? Oxygen is having negative charge. One of the hydrogen H plus transfer to this one. Sir, why H plus is transferred here? Chalo, see this one, why it is transferred. H plus transfer. Then we get pH and COH negative charge and Cl. This is the intermediate we are getting. Sir, అదే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఎందుకలా ఆ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ తో మనకేం లాభం? ఓకే సరే నేను చూపిస్తాను ఏం లాభము ఇక్కడ చూడండి. రైట్, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడే రాస్తాను ఆగండి, ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్. రైట్, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇది బెంజీన్ రింగ్ అండ్ C మైనస్ చార్జ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ a OH and C triple bond కదా, రైట్. This negative charge can participate in the resonance towards this side. This negative charge also can participate towards this side due to electron withdrawing group because of that reason, right? So here, this because of that reason it is going to form, right? Chalo, next, come to the next one. Right, now see this one. Second mole I am using PHC double bond OH. Okay, na? PHC double bond OH, right. Now this negative charge is going to attack on this one. This pi bond is going to delocalize. First of all, I am writing this one pH and CO minus, and this is the hydrogen, and this is the this carbon. Okay, na? And it is a OH and Cn. Excuse me. Cn and this is the pH. Observe carefully. Is it right? అదే కదా ఫామ్ అయిపోయింది మనకి, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, నౌ దిస్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్. సార్ ఎందుకు హైడ్రోజన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయింది సార్, మీరు ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్? సి దిస్ వన్ pH and COH, hydrogen and CO minus and Cn, and this is the pH. Now this negative charge is going to be delocalized. This Cn minus is going to be eliminated. Sir, Cn minus good leaving group? Yes, of course, because HCN is the stronger. HCN is the stronger acid. Base is the weaker base. Weaker bases are the good leaving groups. Remember, okay na? Weaker bases are the good leaving group. Now minus Cn minus. దీని మీద ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది, why cyanide has been selected as a reagent in benzoin condensation? అన్నది రాసిస్తారు. pH, COH and C double bond O and pH is a benzoin. Okay na? Chalo, write down. ఇంకొక పాయింట్ కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, బెక్మన్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ లో ట్రాన్స్పోజిషన్ లో గనక 7 and above కార్బన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటే, అంటే లాంగ్ చైన్ లో 7 కార్బన్స్ ఉంటే, దట్ రియాక్షన్ ఇస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. నేను రాస్తాను, చూపిస్తాను. Do not give aliphatic, only aromatic will give this reaction.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Good,
Completed.
very good. Good boys. See, don't forget this is it is going to form a chiral carbon here. See this one, this is a chiral carbon. Next. ఒక్కసారి సిలబస్ చూసుకొని ఈ రోజు రేపు క్లాస్ ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్ కూడా ఇదే తీసుకుంటాను. చలో రైట్ ఫాస్ట్ గా రాసేయండి. నౌ దిస్
So statement రాస్తున్నారు 7 member
so here this is a resonance stabilized intermediate. It is, if you want you can write it is a resonance stabilized okay. Resonance stabilized. It is a resonance stabilized.
సో స్టేట్మెంట్ రాస్తా అన్నారు 7 member 8.
ఆగండి ఎందుకు టెన్షన్ పడతారండి కదండి.
సార్
ఎస్
సార్ ఒకసారి రెసోనెన్స్ స్టెబిలైజ్డ్ ఆ స్టెప్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ మెకానిజంలో.
ఇది నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ బెంజైలిక్. This can participate in the resonance towards benzene ring. At the same time this can participate resonance with the CN group. At the same time this is the minus sign. So because of this reason it is a more stable intermediate and hydrogen H plus transfer is going to takes place towards this side. Okay na?
సార్ సార్ మెకానిజంలోని హైడ్రోజన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ తర్వాత వచ్చిన స్టెప్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి
ఇదే కదా H plus transfer చేస్తాం
సార్ అక్కడ
P minus
ఎస్ సార్ ఆ తర్వాత స్టెప్
P minus వెళ్ళి రెండో మోల్. This is the first mole, this is the second mole. So this negative charge is going to attack on this one. So first of all I am writing this part. ఈ పార్ట్ రాస్తాను. This is the PHC double bond over this. So PHCO minus H, and next this part is the COHCN PH. Again this H plus is going to be transferred. Why it is transferred? See this one. After transfer we got this, and now it is going to form a negative charge. This negative charge is going to delocalize. Cn minus is going to be eliminated. Then we get this.
ఓకే సార్.
Next, right, for three reasons, cyanide has been selected. Cyanide has been selected. Selected for benzoyne condensation. Benzoyne condensation. Sir, ఎందుకు మనం RO minus also we can take any other OH minus also we can take. Why you are not using this one? Why you are using only Cn minus? That is a question here. So why Cn minus is taken? So first reason, number one. You see this, number one. Okay, now it is a good nucleophile. It is a good nucleophile. Number two. Number two, it is stabilized by resonance. It is stabilized by resonance. Okay, no? Number three, it is a better leaving group. It is a better leaving group, Lg. So because of these three reasons, it is selected. Now, sir, why you are not using OH minus? OH minus veste resonance lo participate cheyadu ikkada. See this one. So here it is, in case if you add OH minus, they are going to form OH again. So 2OH is unstable. Sir, why you are not in RO minus? In case if you use RO minus, again this is going to delocalize and RO is going to be eliminated. So because of that reason. Okay, na? Chalo, right. Next one. Next one. Electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups will increases rate of benzoin condensation. Rate of benzoin condensation. Right? Chalo, ఇంకా మీరు ఫటాఫట్ come to the problems. CHO and NO2 and reaction with alcoholic KCN. KCN number one, number two. See this is the compound I am taking. CHO, right? చెప్పు చెప్పు.
సార్ దీనికి ఏం షార్ట్ కట్ లేదు సార్, అంటే బెక్మన్ చెప్పారు కదా.
ఉన్నదంటే నేను చెప్పేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ RDS. Attack of nucleophile is RDS, red determinants. Order of reaction is equal to concentration of how many moles benzaldehyde. ఇది ఎవ్రీ టైం రాయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదండి, సో డైరెక్ట్ మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. 2 moles and Cn minus is 1 mole is taken. Order is equal to 3. Completed. ఇంకొకటి కూడా రాయండి. See this one, this is a crossed type. Number 3 I am writing here. So this is a benzaldehyde is taken, PH and C double bond OH, and you must remember both should be CHO and NO2 and reaction with HCl. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో ఏం చేస్తారు? This is a crossed. Okay, start. Completed. ఆన్సర్ రాయాలన్నా అవసరం లేదు కదా. చెప్పండి, ఎవరికైనా ఆన్సర్ కావాలంటే రాస్తాను, అక్కర్లేదంటే రా.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఆన్సర్ రాయండి, అంటే ఫైనల్ స్టెప్ రాయండి సార్ ఆన్సర్.
ఓకే ఫనీ, నీ మాట ఎప్పుడన్నా కాదన్నా నా ఆన్సర్ రాసేస్తాను. కరెక్టేనా? కరెక్టేనా? అవుట్ ఆఫ్ this will go for nucleophilic addition. సో ఫస్ట్ దీని మీద అటాక్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనకు వచ్చేది OH and this PH and C, OH double bond C double bond O and this NO. కరెక్టేనా? ఎందుకంటే దీని మీద అటాక్ అవుతే దేని మీద అటాక్ అవుతుందో అదే కదా. See, you can see this substrate which is having Cn minus, that is going to convert it into C double bond O. Okay. Completed?
Completed sir.
Okay, very good boys. Right, next one. Number 9. Benzylic acid rearrangement. Benzylic acid rearrangement. You know, benzylic acid rearrangement. Right. Conversion of conversion of benzyl, conversion of benzyl into benzylic acid. Benzylic acid in presence of base is called benzylic acid rearrangement. Benzylic acid rearrangement reaction. Okay. Now come to this example. General example I am writing here. See this one. First of all, what is a benzyl? C double bond O, C double bond O, and pH. If any compound is having two C double bond O, two C double bond O, C double bond O, this is called benzene. Okay, in presence of OH minus, that gives benzylic acid. That is pH and CO minus and pH and COO minus, and this is the OH. Otherwise, you can write COOH. This is called benzylic acid. Okay, shall I write down this example, and I am going to write the mechanism on the next page.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ నేను ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మెకానిజం రాయాలి కదా, రైట్ మెకానిజం. How this reaction is going to take place. pH and C double bond O and C double bond O pH. It is a benzene. When reacted with OH minus, this is going to attack any one of this, either this one or this one, because of both are same. Okay, na? Chalo, you can attack on this one or this one. So if you attack on this one, this pi bond is going to delocalize. Then we get a pH, C, O minus, and OH, and C double bond O and pH. Now observe carefully, this is a negative charge which is going to delocalize. And this is the phenyl group which is going to be transferred on this. Then it is going to form like this. See this one? This is a C double bond O and OH. And this is the C and O minus, and it is a pH and it is a pH. Okay, chalo. H plus is going to be transferred from here to here. Then it is going to be converted like a pH, COH, and it is a pH and COO minus, and give H plus to this one. Separate ga తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ H plus minus, sorry, H. That is a benzoic acid. Okay, done. Done. మీరు దీని కింద నేను ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ రాస్తాను, మీరు ఆన్సర్ రాసేయండి. Okay. In presence of OH minus. Number 1. Number 2. C double bond O, C double bond O, OH minus. Number 3. Benzene ring. Benzene ring. C double bond O, OH minus. Number 4, 4, 4. Okay. Number 4. C double bond O, pH and pH plus. pH C double bond O and C double bond O pH. In presence of OH minus. Chalo, come on. Completed? Chalo, right. Now I am going to write, see this. You can attack this. తీసుకెళ్ళి దీన్ని shift చేయాలి and type on. And this. And O minus. Okay. Let's COOH. Give H plus to this. Next case. This is the one of the important case. See this. This is going to attack on this one. Any one of these. Pi bond is going to delocate. Then C double bond O. And O minus, and this is a OH. This negative charge is going to delocalize, and this bond is going to break, remember, and it is going to attack on this one. So this is converted into 5 member. O minus, and see this one, this will be as usual. And COOH. Give H plus to this. And COOH. This is the answer. Same, see this one, in case if you observe this part, and this part is the same. So just smart work it is. See this one, I am writing like this. OH and COOH. This is smart work. No need to do again. Now this is a very, very important. See here, OH minus is not going to attack on this one. Sir, why it is not attacking? That is the first question. Okay, right. So why it is not attacking? Now see here, this is the C double bond OH, and in case if you remove hydrogen from here, then that is the most acidic hydrogen. Easily acid base reactions are going to take place. Okay, na? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఈ నెగటివ్ ఛార్జ్ వెళ్ళి దీని మీద అటాక్ అవుతుంది, ఈ నెగటివ్ ఛార్జ్ వెళ్ళి దీని మీద అటాక్ అవుతుంది. Then it is going to form like pH and C O minus C O minus and pH. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, bond C pH and hydrogen and double bond O. Is it right? Give H plus to this one. Then 5-membered ring. I am writing 5-membered ring. See this. Double bond O and pH and OH, pH and pH. So this one, H plus followed by heat. Hydrogen OH. Water is going to be eliminated. Then it gives double bond. pH. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. So this is H plus is going to taken from here, and this negative charge is going to attack on this one. This negative charge is going to attack on this one. So first of all, this part is this one. The remaining part is this one. So that is I have written here, and see here, and this is going to form like this. This is converted into 5-membered ring. Give H plus to this, and after taking H plus, and again H plus followed by heat is given. So then we get a structure like this. Chalo, come on, write down. చాలా మంచి ప్రాబ్లం అండి, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Completed?
Completed, sir.
అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Okay, one more question. It is important. So this is the compound I am taking. Right. OH and C double bond O, OET, ester. This part is the ester. OET. Okay. Chalo, right. When this is reacted with OH minus. So first of all, H plus is going to be taken by this one. Then it is going to form like O minus. Okay. O minus, pH and pH. And C double bond O, ETO. This is the pH and pH. And this negative charge is going to delocalize. If it is delocalized, then this bond is going to be attack on this. And this pi bond is going to delocalize. చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. అప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తుంది చూడండి, 4 member ring. So this one is the bond and pH, and it is a pH. And this is going to become a double bond. And you see this one, this is a O minus, and it is a OET. Going to form OET. Right. Now see this one, this is a negative charge which is going to delocalize, and this OET group is going to be eliminated, minus ETO minus. Then this becomes like this. And the pH, double bond O, double bond O. This is the aromatic compound. How this is aromatic? See this one. In case if you delocalize pi bond, it is pH, and it is a pH, O minus, and it is a positive and positive. So this is the number of pi electrons is equal to 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. Okay, chalo, right? So next one more I am writing. This is the problem. So whenever you find this kind of problems, how to approach, that is the important thing. See this one, this is the compound I am taking, 6 member. Okay, no? And see this one, this is the 3 member ring, and it is a C double bond O group is there, and see it is a oxygen, and this. Okay, no? When it is reacted with H plus. Okay, no? When it is reacted with H plus, possible products. Possible products is asking. Okay, chalo, right. First of all, go through hydrolysis. ఎందుకంటే వాటర్ వేసాడు కదా ఇక్కడ H plus. So this bond is going to break like. ఇది బ్రేక్ అయిపోయి OH వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, right? We get a structure. C double bond, and this is the compound. C double bond O. Okay. Now we have a H plus. Now this H plus, since this reaction is proceeding in acidic medium, water and acidic medium, right? Then C double bond O and double bond OH plus charge. Okay, na? Right. Now see here. whatever the oxygen it is there, it is having a positive charge. Now this is the 3-member ring which is unstable. I am breaking this bond here like this. Then it is converted like this. Because 3-member ring is unstable, easily it can break. Carbon, carbon, C double bond and the carbon, right? Carbon and double bond and OH. Okay, no? OH, right? Right here a positive charge. Is it right? Check చేసుకుంటే correct అయినా? Okay, no? So otherwise you can do one more thing. In case if you want, you can write a pi bond, one more sigma bond. Okay, no problem. మీరు పై నో కిందనో పెట్టుకోండి, no problem. It is nothing going to happen. Because this is the more stable intermediate is going to form, right? So remove H plus minus H plus from which one? This. Remove this hydrogen and give this pi bond here. Sorry, sigma bond. Then that is going to form like this: C double bond O and bond and this and this and OH. And what kind of form it is? Enol form. So upon tautomerization, this is going to be formed like C double bond O and pi bond and C double. This is the more stable due to resonance. See this one, this can participate in the resonance. That is the product. Okay. Chalo, write down this. Number 6.
సార్ అయితే పాసిబుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఒకటేనా సార్? పాసిబుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అన్నారు కదా, ఒకటేనా?
ఒకటే వచ్చింది. Completed. అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Next one. See this. This is a methyl and it is a ethyl. C double bond O, C double bond OH minus. What is the answer? Number one. Number two. C double bond O, C double bond. What is the answer? Chalo, come on, write down these two. Anybody? So see this one. This
Sir, 5-member ring, sir.
so this is the here very important. This is the bulky group. Okay, na? Because of that reason, this is going to attack on this one, and it is going to be break. I'll do one thing. Instead of this, I'll write a star mark like this is the oxygen star mark, otherwise, and carbon star mark. Now the question is, oxygen is present on carboxylic acid or OH group? That is the question. Otherwise, you can write a star mark on this carbon. Which side it is going to be? So that kind of question it is. Now it is going to be, this is the ethyl and it is a methyl, and this is the O minus and it is a CO minus, otherwise COOH, and gives H plus. Then you can OH. In case if it is a star marked one, and this is a star mark and it is a star mark, and it is a ethyl and it is a methyl. Okay, so right directly I'm writing for this. Right, now see this. Now see this. Okay. See here. Okay, right. If it is attacking from backside, this is going to form. Okay, done. See here. Now see, this is going to attack here, and this pi bond is going to. What kind of it is? sp2 hybridized. And what is this? Planar. So now we get a structure like this: fluorine and hydrogen double bond, and see, this is this, and this is a O minus, and this is the CN, and right. See this one, this is a methyl, and give H plus to this one. Then it is going to form like fluorine, hydrogen, right? This is going to form OH, and it is a CN. Okay, right. Remember here, this is the one compound plus, and this is a OH and CN. They are the different fluorine, and it is a hydrogen. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Right. Now see here, what is the relation between these two? That is the question. Right. Now observe carefully. Here, this part is not going to be changed. Only this part is changing. So if it is not participating, not changing, then they are called diastereomers. Okay, they are called diastereomers. Right? Shall I write down this? Got it? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. Next one. Next. Perkins reaction. Number 10. This is the one of the very, very important advanced law chala sarlu అడిగాడు. Perkins reaction. Perkins reaction. Okay, Perkins reaction. Right. Aromatic aldehydes or its derivatives. Aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes are its derivatives. Its derivatives when treated with when treated with acid anhydride in presence of same salt of acid, we get alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, chalo, right, now see this. I'm going to write an example. This is the benzaldehyde I'm taking, is reacting with acetic anhydride. So this one CH3 C double bond O and O C double bond O and CH3. This is also you can write CH3CO taken twice O. When reacted with the same salt of that acid, which is coming from CH3COO minus. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఎలా వస్తుంది, CH3 C double bond O OH and CH3 C double bond O OH. When you combine these two, we are getting CH3 and C double bond O C double bond O and CH3. This is reality. Okay na? So in case if you remove one hydrogen, then that is called salt. It is called salt. Right? That is the same salt. It is called salt. This is the same. మనం దేని ఏదైతే తీసుకుంటామో దానికి రిలేటెడ్ గా ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ salt. Right? That gives alpha beta unsaturated acid. So alpha beta unsaturated acid followed by H plus gives and pH, CH, double bond, CH and COOH. This is called cinnamic acid. Is the alpha and beta. So alpha beta unsaturated acid. This is called cinnamic acid. Right. Come to the mechanism. So how this reaction is going to take place. First of all, I am taking acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is the alpha and alpha. Okay. When this is reacted with, it is acting as a base here. Right. When it is reacted with CH3COO minus and H plus is going to be taken by this one and it is removed as a CH3COOH. Now it forms CH3 and C double bond O, C double bond O and CH2 minus. Okay. Now this is going to attack on this benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Right. దీనికి షార్ట్ మెథడ్ కూడా చెప్తాను, మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చేసుకోవాలి. Right. First of all, observe carefully. First of all, I am writing this benzene ring. Okay, na? Benzene ring. pH and C O minus, and this is the hydrogen, and this is the CH2. And C double bond O, and this is the O, and see this one, this is the C double bond O, and another one is the CH3 Me. Okay, now see this one, this is the negative charge which is going to attack on this one. Question, you know what is the question here is, what kind of question is going to ask? Is going to ask a question regarding total number of. Now I am writing cyclic structure. Oxygen O minus, oxygen observe carefully, right? This is the pH and this. Correct ena chuskondi, jagrataga chuskondi. Now it is having a 2 hydrogens here. Okay, 2 hydrogens are there. So it is a 6-membered ring. This is the integer type question. 6-membered ring. It is going to form 6-membered ring. And total number of oxygen atoms are in the 6-membered ring is equal to 2. That is the question here. Now see what happened. Since this reaction is proceeding in basic medium, CH3COO minus is there. This is going to be taken H plus. Now see here what happened. This bond is going to delocalize, and this is going to delocalize here, and this is going to delocalize here. ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోండి ఏమవుతుందో. ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అయితే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో డబుల్ బాండ్, ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, డబుల్ బాండ్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ పై బాండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది. రైట్, నేను ఫస్ట్ ఇది రాస్తాను. pH, carbon carbon double bond, and this C double bond go O minus, plus I'm talking about this one, O minus, and this is the double bond. Is it right? Is it right? Right. Now give H plus to this one, then it is converted into like CH3, C double bond OH. Give H plus to this one, then it is pH, CH, double bond, CH and COOH. This is the symmetric acid. This is this. Okay, chalo, come on, write up. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి, ఐఐటిలో అడిగాడు. 2015 or 14 లో ఉంటుంది, చూసుకోండి. పర్కిన్స్ రియాక్షన్ మీద ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతాడు. అండ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ షార్ట్ మెథడ్, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ షార్ట్ మెథడ్. చాలా ఈజీ మెథడ్ రాస్తాను. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న CH2 ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఇందులో నుంచి ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ తీస్తాను. ఈ సిగ్మా బాండ్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. ఈ సిగ్మా బాండ్ ఇటు బ్రేక్ చేశాను. ఈ సిగ్మా బాండ్ ఇటు బ్రేక్ చేస్తే ఈ పై బాండ్ ఇటు వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇదే బేస్ మీద ఇక్కడ ఆలోచన, pH, ఇది డబల్ బాండ్ అండ్ ఇది సింగిల్ బాండ్, ఇక్కడ ఇది డబల్ బాండ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఇది O మైనస్, ఇది ఇక్కడ రాస్తుంది. ఇది చూడండి, ఈ పార్ట్ చూడండి, ఈ బాండ్ ఇక్కడ వెళ్తే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో డబల్ బాండ్ వస్తుంది, ఎస్ డబల్ బాండ్. ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోయింది, O మైనస్ యాస్టిజ్ అలాగే.
హలో సార్.
చెప్పు సార్.
సార్ కొద్దిగా ముందు పేజ్ పెడతారా, సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది.
ఆ?
కొద్దిగా ముందు పేజ్ పెడతారా సార్? థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Boys completed.
Completed, sir.
Right. షార్ట్ మెథడ్, ఎందుకంటే ఇంత పెద్ద మెథడ్ చేయాలంటే మా గగన్ ముందే టెన్షన్ పడుతుంటాడు. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే షార్ట్ మెథడ్ రాస్తాను. pH. ఓకేనా, ఆల్ఫా హైడ్రోజన్ ఈస్ టేకెన్, CH2 CH and C double bond O and O C double bond O and CH3 in presence of CH3 COO minus and followed by H plus. Okay, chalo, right. As usually, very simple, oxygen from here, hydrogen from alpha, any one of the alpha, either this or this, ఏదో ఒక దాంట్లో నుంచి తీసేయండి. Then we get a structure like this: pH, CH double bond, CH and C double bond O and O C double bond O and CH3. Go through hydrolysis. Right. Break this bond here. OH, H. Okay. Na? Remove this one, CH3, COOH. And remaining is PH, CH, double bond, CH, COOH. Okay. Okay. Come on. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. What is the answer? Speed గా రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి. ఫటాఫట్ రాసుకో. Completed. So directly I'm writing answers. Completed, boys. Chalo, right. I'm writing the answer. Methyl and CH double bond CH and CO. Okay, chalo. This is the alpha. Okay, so hydrogens we must remove from this one. Then this is going to form like pH, CH, double bond C and CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, ET. Go through hydrolysis. OHH. And this gives minus EtCOOH. And remaining it is pH, CH, double bond, C, CH3, COOH. This is the answer. ఓకే అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. బాబా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు అనే ఒక మాట అంటే చాలు, డైరెక్ట్ 140 వచ్చి సెకండ్ లోపల ఇట్లా లాగౌట్ అయిపోతుంది. రైట్ బాయ్స్, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.